Okay, so let's now get to the internal side of pentesting activities, right? So let's assume that we already have some access to the local network or to a wide area network that is belonging to our client. So we can control it, or we can physically access it, or we have some means of remote access already. For example, we have successfully penetrated the network along with the external vector of attack, and we have deployed some kind of an agent, right? And we logically have access to some physical equipment. What happens then? Okay, so one of important things all of us should know about the internet is that it is inherently insecure by design. Okay, and on every penetration test we have to assume that, and we have to check to what extent our clients mitigate these insecurities by design. Okay, why so happens that we have all these different security issues? Remember that internet has been built by scientists. Okay, so the first reason why this interconnected environment has been built was to basically exchange scientific data. After that, when military suddenly had interest in this new thing, it has been transformed somehow. But the main idea is that in the very beginning, in the very early dawn of the internet, there was no this potential threat of maldoing within this environment. It has not been put into the model, put into the design of the network, and all the implications of possible malicious attacker having access to the network were not processed, were not thought through. So everything that we have regarding security in the internet is is basically bolted on. Okay, it's not built in, it's somehow added up in the way of finding new uses for the internet, right? When we started making advertisements and financial transactions, so internet came to the business world, we have created some additional functions like SSL, TLS, end-to-end encryption, and so on, in order to uh, feel more or less secure and process our data more or less safely through this uh, environment that is always considered hostile by default. Okay, so that is how things work, and all the protocols that has been created in the very beginning of the internet, they do not have this security thought in mind, right? So the designers were not thinking about security, and this has resulted in many different security issues. Yeah, so let's go and see what are they one by one.